Mugoroba kurwase county ya Kisii nigo litwelero mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbara tanyara ko bagosyolie bene umurobiryo bugo chaka obwagachi bechia bisicinene che county eyo ya Kisii umurobiryo nigo nyara koba go korekana sensemo ya kari mbarabare amone skuru yeba muraya Kisii go kwana kurwase chinsamecho nigo Paul Simbara tanyara koba kwene kiabuna obwagachi bechia bisicho nigo borachikobo kwene kia obokoreri obya anene bwemerobiri ya butambi ya magendro izmeye county ya Kisii umurobiri nyara kobo wikiranigwa amona barai hagati ya bomokonyi bomugabana naboigo aba MCA seboigo Paul Simbara tanyara koba gakonekanga abanyakonda abanyarire koba bakwena nwemeremo yobo korere gati ya bobwagachi wichi barabuna obotenerwe county bochikoba bokoro totana kwene kiabona abanyakonda abanyarire koba gwikirania emerobiri ya bobune bwenete buna gutomanya muri Kito Mildred Momanyi.
Omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Omoske Simbarati nigo litsukolera lero araire omurobiri bogochakigwa kwobwagachi bwechabisi chabakoli emeremo ne serikali ya county ya Kisii County Headquarters asensemo ya kari mbarabali ne skuru yabamura ya Kisii School.
Tena muoko sana nga twa launch the headquarters ye county aiga asobolemo no bolange na cancer center egendete kwa gachu timos negendete kwa ndande koros negendete abantu abukorwe wiki yaita na gendo ronkanyora nga muntu yatamete kurworo
korengana no Moske arati nigo anekiribuna omonyakonda obalierere eirabuna niga magachayo arachikwera asige kemya kebere na igone konye gukinya obokoreri kurwa ase abakoli emeremo be serikali egento kegwa okobokone gati yaba MCA
ese project twarorero mu contractor owansirebya otatebiringe koira mitinyi emerongebere nene yere myakebere etobo sabanga egasi yakorekana abakoli bonse gasi be county no bawo cha cooperate kurwa chi department chonspi no chiwo cha cooperate kurwa igabantu bali nyabako nya kuminyoka ba umuntu ago cha ugenda ukora matatu gali cyo sign biashara bune mbiyo.
Your Excellency, what was not achieved in those many years, you have achieved it inside 2 years. Congratulations, Your Excellency. As they took you through, Your Excellency, on the designs, Your Excellency, I marveled and said, what a wonderful state of the art building that will truly stand the test of time. A wonderful piece of architecture, Your Excellency.
Sasa itafanyika vizuri zaidi wakati tutakuwa all departments working together in one headquarters. It will be able to improve the efficiency of staff and be able to give us productivity ili watu waweze kufanya kazi and they can easily be able to give us more results.
Na kubwatekana no kubolia kwa aba MCA buna magacho bunayo agachukira award nigo mawabana abayenekeri buna nachikonekya ingwagacho chire kera sub county lekonekya abakoli emeremo ngoiranira bale asemeremo yabo.
Naona hapa Mheshimiwa Paradiso, who is my neighbor from Mugembo, inviting me to put a foundation stone. And I want to tell Mheshimiwa Paradiso and also request the governor that wewe ukienda kuweka foundation stone ufanye kama hii. Contractor anafika kwa site, kazi inaanza, money is allocated so that ikifanyikana isije kwa kama wale wengine wanatenga pesa lakini hawafanyi kazi.
Ekero kugenda isikuras mimanyikane ngasi ko cyokora. And we are going to do this even at the sub county level because abantu abange mbali okora gasi. Abananchi mumanyita abantu. Umuntu no chinsi ya gasi mengekuwa na cyakoni karumo kolega swe county.
Sensemo yaye omonogeri bwe bunge ye county ya Kisii Dr. Philip Nyanumba niga mwakirembya omugavana asigitambukireke na koira eira gochya gusira omugavana ase emerobere yaye ya magendero onsipi ime county ya Kisii.
Person, as the Speaker of Kisii County, let me take this opportunity to congratulate you for that good work. As the assembly, we are the people tunapitisa budget. We will ensure that we have supported you in all your projects you will be proposing, as long as they are bringing value addition to the people of Kisii.
Ngoripotelia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV, letaliane Mildred Momanyi.